The low tension ignition systems that we make here at Champion have one major purpose in mind for our customers, and that's to keep weight of the ignition system down. The best way to facilitate the low tension ignition system is by using semiconductors to drive down the voltage required to initiate the spark. It's a ceramic device that the terminology itself is rather descriptive, is that it's not a conductor, it's not an insulator, it's a half conductor or semiconductor. It does hold the voltage off to some extent, but it allows voltage to very energetically ignite and form a spark across the spark gap of the igniter. Another consideration with low tension ignition systems is not only is it lighter, but it's smaller, so it's a lot easier to package on the turbine engine. These turbine engines are very busy. Any application can use low tension ignition systems. They're used often in APUs for turbine engines. They're used in smaller turbines in particular. The semiconductor technology that we own here at Champion is decades old. We've continued to develop it over the years, and we sustain it through a PhD that we have on staff, as well as a continual input of a ceramic development department.
So with ceramics, you take the raw material, you make the actual product, and then it is used as a component for the rest of the ignition system. So instead of actually having to buy from an outside source and having to rely on them, you actually control everything. So your turnaround is faster, you don't have to worry about supply chain because you have material in-house, and you just control your own fate. And one of the other things that is unique to Champion is the operators actually test every order that comes out. So they have a criteria for a particular part number, and they will test to make sure onset is in. They will do a visual inspection. After they finish that, they will then release the product to move on to be built into an igniter.
We're pleased to have that ability that nobody else in the world has. It gives us a tremendous advantage in the marketplace to be able to own this technology and to be able to market it to meet our customers' needs.